Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, as you can see here, I have two more boxes to open. So I'm gonna share with you what I got from Hermes website. These are just small items, but I love it. I can't wait to see it and also share with you because I haven't seen it in person. I ordered directly from Hermes website. So this is the first item. They always ship in foil material package like this and the white box. So this is how it looks inside. Wow, this is the first time I see perfume samples in here. Wow, let's see. Okay, so they have two perfume samples in here. Very nice. So it has a receipt in here. Okay, so let's see what color it is. This is an item from Petite H. I just love it because every time I get it, I have to just keep guessing for the color that comes with it. I'm not sure what color I like for this one, but I hope that it can be, in white or yellow. But let's see what color it is in here. And as you can see here, it has an extra piece out here. The Petite H always comes with the extra piece. And this one is so lovely. It has the butterfly in purple color. So cute. And let's see. Okay, so with the Petite H, you are surprised with any color that they want to send you. And this color is brown. I never had a piece in this color. So lovely. Look at this side. So this is a Phoenix charm, Petite H charm. This side is in brown, like dark brown, and this side is like magnolia. Yeah, I guess so. So it is not the color that I was guessing, but it is beautiful, right? Love it. Let me share with you how much it is for this one. So the Petite H, it comes with different sizes, and of course the prices is different, depends on the size of the piece. And this Phoenix charm is $345 plus tax. I wanted this Phoenix charm for a long time because I saw it from Instagram and I just wanted to have one. Also the dragon, I just love the Phoenix with the dragon together, but I never seen it on Hermes website. So a few days ago when I saw it popped up, I had to add it to cart right away. And a few hours later, it was gone because I checked back. I didn't see it anymore. So I guess everyone wanted to have this piece. So I'm so glad that I could get this piece from Hermes website. I hope that I can get a dragon charm someday to pair with this Phoenix charm because they look really nice together. Yeah, Phoenix and dragon. Hopefully soon. But I'm so happy to have this in my hand right now. Now let me try it on my back so you can see how big this Phoenix charm is. I have here with me the Kelly in size 28 and it is in Cellier style. Look at this. So this is the Petite H on size 28. Looks cute, right? This brown, I think it really popped. I love the contrast with this Phoenix charm and the Kelly. Right? You like it? What do you think? I like it. And let's see with this color. Wow. Oh my God, it is so beautiful. I love Petite H because you can have two colors in one charm. If you want dark color, you can have it on this side, or you can change the look of the bag with this side of the Petite H. So lovely. I just love it. Next one, let's review this package. This is the first time that I received something in this square package. Very different. Wow, such a thick box. This is how it looks inside. Look at this tiny box, orange box inside. I'm not sure why they put in this square box. Let's reveal this little box. Can you guess what it is? Very tiny. Wow, it is so cute. This is scarf ring. I think it is called Regate scar ring. I'm gonna try it on with my scarf so you can see how it looks. I have here the scarf from Dior and also the Chanel brooch on here. I'm gonna try it on so you can see how it is. I just like this style so much. Oh, it is wrong way. So this side, you just make a simple knot here and then put the brooch on here. That is how it looks with this Chanel brooch. How do you like it? Very elegant, right? Now let me try it on with this scarf ring from Hermes. With this Regate scarf ring, very simple. You just put the scarf through. So this is how it is. What do you think? Do you like it? I think it looks so lovely with this scarf. You can make different style. This is how it looks. And you can play with it. You know, just make any style that you want. I just put it through this loop and do one more time. There's a hole here. You can put the other side into it. And here you have another style. You can play with it. Make any style that you want. You can leave one side shorter than the other. Now let me share the price of this piece. It is called Regate scarf ring in perma brass. So it is in very light yellow tone. And it is $190 plus tax. So Hermes prices just increased recently. This one was $185. I think it's like a week or two ago, and now it just went up $5. A lot of things from Hermes just increased, not only silk products, but you know, rodeo charm or things like this, like scarf rings. I saw a lot of things that increase in price. So I'm not sure how much price increase for Kelly or Birkin. Even if it increased few hundred, I think it's still worth to get it from the store, you know, the Birkin and the Kelly bags, than other website, because it would be double in price if you get it. You know, of course it depends on the color and if it's new from the store. As I mentioned before, luxury, you know, it's just not something that we really need. It's just something we want to have or we like to have. Even for the prices increase in, you know, not only Hermes, but Louis Vuitton, Chanel, people still get it or try to get it before the price increase, but you can't really avoid it because it increased so many times. That is all for today's videos. I hope you like it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell down below to get notified every time I upload a new video, which will be every week. I'm looking forward to see you back in my next video. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram or Facebook so we can be friends and share our interests about luxury and lifestyle. Have a fabulous day and a beautiful life. Bye-bye.